Hey everybody, I am here today with a math video for you. It's just building on what we did yesterday so that we can get to double-digit addition, going up higher. Today we are going to be adding 1, subtracting 1, adding 10, subtracting 10. So you probably will need something to write on and something to write with. It can be paper or pencil. It doesn't have to be a whiteboard. I just use that so that I don't go through as much paper. Go ahead, get that, and then as soon as you're ready, push play, and let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to draw 62 using a quick 10 drawing. What do quick 10s look like? What do quick 1s look like? Good. So how many 10s are in 62? 6. So I need to draw 6 10s. 4, 5, 6. And then how many 1s are in 62? 2. So I'm going to draw 2 dots. Okay. So we kind of just did this part. But this is what our, am I good there? Can you still see? This is what our 10s and 1s chart would look like down here. So if I wanted to add 1, I've got my 10s and 1s, 6 10s, 2 1s. In the middle, maybe. No, I'm in the way again. In the middle, I'm going to say plus 1 and draw an arrow. That just tells me that I'm taking 62, I'm doing 1 more than that, and I'm going to have a new 10s and 1s chart. Okay? Now, I'm going to write our number sentence here. Actually, yeah. So 62 plus 1 equals something. If you need to, draw it. We just did our drawing. Am I adding a line or a dot? I'm adding a dot, and I'm adding a dot because I know that 1s are dots and 10s are lines. I'm only adding a 1, I'm not adding a 10. So I'm just going to draw my extra 1 up there. Okay? So if I count this again, I can still put my numbers in my 10s and 1s chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s. 1, 2, 3, 3 1s. So 1 more than 62 is 63. Can you guys say that sentence for me? 1 more than 62 is 63. Good job. We kind of went through this without me clicking. Okay, if we look at this, which number did not change? Was it our 10s that didn't change, or was it our 1s that didn't change? Yeah, our 10s did not change. There's still 6 10s here and 6 10s here, right? Good job. All right, so let's do another one. This time, we're going to use the same number, so I'm just going to erase what I've got down here. So I've still got 62. I've still got my drawing of 62. If you are using paper and you need to redo it, please push pause, redo it. Make sure that you have your new 10s and 1s chart. And then we're going to draw an arrow showing that we're going from 62 to a new number. Okay? This time we're going to add 10. Okay? What does a 10 look like when we draw it in quick 10s? Is it a line or a dot? If you said a line, I agree with you. So I'm just going to add my line over here. Okay, oh, is that better? Right? You can choose to put your 10s, like you could draw it here instead, I just like to put it over here so I can see what I was adding, okay? I'm going to count my tens first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have 7 tens. 1, 2, 2 ones. What's my new number? 72. So can we say this in a sentence? 10 more than 62 is 72. Good job. Which one did not change? The tens or the ones? Yeah, the ones didn't change this time. Good job. All right. You guys just did this. All right. This time we're going to subtract. So we have a new number. It is 87. Can you please draw 87 for me? Draw 87 for me. You should have 8 lines because there's 8 tens, and you should have 7 dots because there's 7 ones. Make sure that you have 8 lines and 7 dots so that you have 8 tens and 7 ones, okay? This time we are going to subtract. Subtract means that our number is getting smaller, because if you had 87 cookies and you ate one, do you still have that one? No, so you have to take it away. So instead of adding dots, we're going to take one away. So I'm just going to cross off one of our dots. Excuse me. So what is 1 less than 87? Let's count our tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should have what number? 86. So can you repeat the sentence? 1 less than 87 is 86. 87 is 86. Good job. All right, this time I want you guys to try this one on your own. So go ahead and draw 87 again, but this time we're going to subtract 10 from it. We're going to subtract a 10 from it. So think about, is our number going up or down? Do you need to draw an extra line or do you need to cross it off? Do you need to draw an extra dot or do you need to cross it off? I'm going to give you guys about 10 seconds. All right, so since we're subtracting, that means that we're taking it away. You had 87 cookies, but you gave 10 of them to your friends. So we need to cross off a 10. We don't have 10 loose ones, so we can't cross those off. Plus, guys, it's easier just to cross off one line, right? So now count your tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 would go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would go here. Your number should be 77. So 10 less than 87 is 77. Which number didn't change, our tens or our ones? Our ones didn't change because we were dealing with a 10, right? All right, let's do this one. Can you guys subtract 1 from 77? While you do that, I'm going to get a little drink of coffee because it's still morning and teachers need coffee. It's even still warm, guys. Okay, let's check your work. 1 less than 77. Are you crossing off a line or a dot? A dot. You should have 76. All right, let's do this one. Come back and check your work. If you are not done, push pause now so that you don't see the answer. If you are, let's check it. We are crossing off a 10. Boop. You should have 67. All right, do this one. Add 1 to 90. I'll give you guys, actually, push pause and then come back and check your work. All right, hopefully you got your answer. So 1 more than 90 is 91. Can you say that sentence for me? 1 more than 90 is 91. Good job. All right. This one is a little bit tricky, so I'm going to kind of walk you through it. So we're going to draw 90 because we still have 90. So that's 9 lines, right? Let's check and make sure I've got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I have any loose ones to take away? No, but I know that 110 is the same as 10 ones. So what I'm going to do is erase one of my 10s. Now I only have 80, but I still need 90. So I'm going to turn that 110 into 10 ones. So let's check and make sure that I still have 90. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now, can I cross off my 1? Yeah. So I'm going to cross off my 1 and I'm going to count them again. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 1s. So 1 less than 90 is 89. Good job. All right. Go ahead and try this one. If I have, instead of showing you guys the long picture, we know which one's going to change, our 10s or our 1s. Probably our 10s because that's what we're adding, right? So I've got 9 10s and 0 1s. I'm adding 1 10. What is 1 more than 9? 10. So I can put 10 in my 10s column. And my 1s didn't change, so it's still a 0. What's my new answer? 100. Yeah. All right. You guys have your packet. You guys can work on this. You can do some more of these at home, adding 1, adding 10, subtracting 1, subtracting 10. You guys did a really great job. You worked really hard. I'm super proud of you. I'm excited for tomorrow because I think tomorrow we get to start getting into like double-digit addition, and you know I love that. So I will see you guys in my next one. Have a great day. Bye.